We had a signal earlier. It's not working.
Wake of devastation. We're waiting on the edge of the unknown. With the cataclysm raining down, inside's crying, save me now. You were there, possibly alone.
Around Chicago. Our high-range
bombers were just knocked out of the sky.
They can't get through enemy air defenses over the city.
Our satellites have been jammed. We have no way to monitor the enemy's movement.
Our LMS teams are on stand down, holding at Grissom Air Force Base. We're about 10 minutes from the battle zone. We have special forces trying to gain access to the city. And infantry is staging at the perimeter.
Excuse me, it just doesn't make sense. Can't we get any eyes in there at all?
They keep shooting down our drones.
They want us blind, but we do have a couple of mini drones we're going to try.
Well, who's ever manning these UAV drones, can we try to redirect them toward Trump Tower? The kid with Wickedy was on his way to Chicago. Said some point man human op is there for the Decepticons. Listen, if I know anything, I know this, that kid is an alien bad news magnet.
Find her in the middle of all that?
Are we really going out there, Epps?
I'm not going in there. No one's going in.
I am. With or without you, I'll find her.
You're gonna get yourself killed, Sam. Is that what you want? Is that what you want? You came all the way out here to get yourself killed? Huh? Listen to what I'm saying.
She's here because of me, do you understand?
Listen, if you go in this building, that's if she's even still alive. There's no way you're gonna be able to reach her.
What do you suggest I do?
It's over. I'm sorry, but it's over. Whoa! Hey, Johnny!
Your leaders will now understand. Decepticons will never leave your planet alone. And we needed them to believe we had gone. For today, in the name of freedom, we take the battle to them.
I saw your ship blow up.
The ship?
We would never end the ship. We designed the damn thing, didn't we?
We were hidden in the first booster rocket to separate. Splashed down back in the Atlantic just as planned. We ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, no one's exciting us.
The Autobots are staying right here. We're gonna help you win this war.
They're surrounding the city to make a fortress, so that no one can see what they're up to inside. Our only chance is the element of surprise.
I think I know where to look.